students, welcome to the English class. And as you know, then we were studying chapter number 5 of First Flight. And the name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses Won, written by Albizu Esther. And in previous class, we read about the beginning of the story, in which we read about the central figure or central character, main character of the story, Wanda Petronsky, then who was a Polish girl and who was migrated with her parents from Poland. And as she was teased by her classmates because of her funny name and her dresses, because as daily she came in the same dress, in the same colored dress of blue color. But when somebody asked her about her dresses, she always replied that she was having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. So now because of funny name and because of dresses, now here all the classmates used to make fun of Wanda. But Wanda never get irritated and frustrated. She was a very calm and quiet girl. She gave reply in a very polite and calm manner. So this schedule was going on of making fun of her, in which main role of Peggy and Maddie was there, who were two good friends and classmates of Wanda. They were best friends and they started making fun of her, and later on other students also started making fun of her as this schedule was going on. And now one day what happened? It was the day of Monday. Wanda was absent and nobody noticed her absence because she sat in the corner of the class as she was not having many friends in the class. So nobody forced her to sit in front or with them. So she sat alone in the corner of the class where some disturbing boys used to sit. So she was not having any communication, any friendship with anybody. So she used to sit in the corner of the class, and as she was absent on Monday, so nobody noticed because as we read, she was not having any friend in the class. So nobody was caring, affectionate towards her. And after school, now Peggy and Maddie noticed. How they noticed and why they noticed? As they were not caring about her. They noticed her absence only because of this, because they were waiting for her, for making fun of her after departure. So when they did not see Wanda, they came to know that Wanda was absent on that day. Same thing also happened next day. It means on Tuesday. It means both days she was absent. So now they came to know why Wanda was absent. So till now we read yesterday, and now next part we are going to start today. And now before starting explanation, let's have a look on the hard words. Incredulously means showing disbelief. Velvet means soft. Solidity means not showing any feeling. Greeted means respected. Hitching means catching. Bullies. Bullies are those people who frighten weaker and poor people with their power. So they frighten other people on the basis of their physical and financial power. So these are the hard words present in the chapter. Now students, let's discuss key points of the chapter as girls made fun of Wanda. So here as little bit we discussed yesterday about this point, then Peggy and Maddie, who were two friends in class of Wanda. They were good friends and they always find a chance to make fun of Wanda about her name, about her dresses. As Peggy was the popular and beautiful girl of the school. So she was also intelligent and she belonged to rich class. And Maddie, who belonged to poor class, even intentionally she was not ready to make fun of Wanda. But as being a friend of Peggy, she always contributed in this fun and enjoyment. As both of them made fun of Wanda and this schedule was going on. And now as this was a game, this became a game for these two girls and for others, as asking question about the dresses from Wanda and then replies of Wanda given by Wanda about her dresses, about her shoes, about her classes, about her look, all these, and about her name also. So Peggy and Mary derived pleasure in her discomfort. What Wanda got after giving reply. Even she gave reply in a very cool and calm manner, but mentally she was also disturbed and she became discomfortable and uncomfortable. And in this discomfort, they got a pleasure. So this thing was going on, and here girls, these main two girls, Peggy and Mary, were getting a great fun by making fun of Wanda. Now, next point, more of Peggy. Now, Peggy, as she was the most popular girl of the school, she was very pretty and she always teased Wanda. Even she was not cruel girl. She never behaved cruelly with anyone. Even she was very polite and very good and very generous towards animals also. But if somebody asked her about the Wanda, she always said that Wanda was not an ordinary person but wanted her to describe the 100 dresses. It means she always gave reply if anybody asked them, why are you doing this, why are you making fun of Wanda? She always said, then Wanda also wants to describe about her dresses. So that's why simply I am asking about her dresses. My intention is not there to tease her, to make fun of her, to mock her. So she gave these simple replies. Now, next point, more of Maddie. Maddie, who was a poor girl. She belonged to a middle class family. She was a close friend of Peggy. She felt bad for Wanda. Whenever she made fun, it means whenever these two girls, it means she and Peggy or other girls made fun of Wanda, she always, Maddie always felt very bad because she was different from others. As she was also Maddie was also belonged to poor class and she understood the feelings of Wanda very well. And she was also having a fear that one day when all the classmates would be fed up by making fun of Wanda, then their next prey will be who? That would be Maddie. It means as she was also she also belonged to poor class and she was also wearing the normal clothes like Wanda. And because of dresses, because of clothes and because of simple look, maybe one day her classmate would also start making fun of her. So she was having this fear in her heart. So one day she can be replaced by Wanda. Now, next point, Maddie's note to Peggy about Wanda. So as in the previous point we have seen, then as Maddie, who was also helping Peggy for making fun of Wanda indirectly, but she was having a fear that one day she could be replaced by Wanda and people would also start making fun of her because of her poor class, because of her poor attire. So here she was having this fear. So one day she decided to stop this fun and enjoyment by making fun of Wanda. So she made a note. She wrote a note to Peggy to stop this. She wrote everything in that. Then here Peggy, we should stop this fun. We should start making joke of Wanda. But later on she thought that maybe by this her friend Peggy would be angry on her and this will be affected on their friendship and maybe in anger Peggy would leave her friendship and in this way then she would lost a great friend like Peggy. So she tore that note. And as she was very uncomfortable, she was thinking she wanted to do something about Wanda. On the one side, Wanda was there as who was having the same class like Peggy. She wanted to help Wanda in some ways. but on the other side she don't want to lose the friendship of Peggy, and she thought that if she would support Wanda in that way, she would lose the friendship of Peggy. So she was very uncomfortable. She was thinking all the points as continuously after thinking a lot. Finally she tore that note, and later on she started thinking about the drawing competition which was about to held in their school. So students, now today we have completed the next part of the story, and now what happened later on? What about the drawing competition and how it was held, and what was the result of this, and what was the connection of this with the Wanda's fun and joke created by other? All the things we will find out in next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.